Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today for a new sneaker unboxing. I feel like I've not done a sneaker unboxing in so long. And today I'm featuring a new pair of Adidas sneakers, which I've had my eye on for a while since they were featured in people wearing them in Men's Fashion Week in January. What month are we in now? June. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell for notifications so that you know when I bring out a new video. Basically, if you subscribe to a YouTuber's channel anymore, if you don't click the bell, then they don't even tell you when you bring out a new video. So clicking that bell really helps me and would mean so much to me if you watch my videos when they come out. So thank you so much to everyone who does that already. Team Early, I love you guys. So the sneaker in question is the Adidas Yung-1. They've released in 2 colorways. I picked mine up from Cali Roots, but I've left links down in the description below to all different stores that are carrying them. So if you're wondering what they look like, here they are. So the sneaker is a kind of revamp of an old 90s style pair from Adidas called the Falcon Dorf. They are riding the dad sneaker ugly trainer trend. I saw them in an all white colorway and was completely obsessed, and then when I saw this colorway I really liked them too, and I thought they'd be great for summer. They're inspired by vintage running sneakers, but I definitely think they're more of a fashion sneaker. They're this kind of retro runner shape with loads and loads of details. So there's a mixture of paneling of like mesh, suede. It's a nice layered effect on the sneaker itself. It's got the chunky sole, which is kind of like an off-white color. I just think they look awesome and they're easy, wearable kind of sneaker and not too expensive as well. If you compare them to some of the chunky sole sneakers on the market, these are kind of at the lower end, but still good quality. So they have a torsion sole inside them, which is meant to be good for stability. So they have suede paneling on the side, and they've got your 3 stripes in kind of mesh. I just love the detailing on the front, so you can see it's kind of not symmetrical and not lined up properly, but it just looks really cool. It's like an off-white colour, a reddy kind of orange they say on the website, and then a collegiate navy. So you've got this dark navy here and on the tongue and on the little bits around it as well. It's just a really nice colourway, and it kind of pops. It makes an outfit pop, especially if you're just going to wear like navy or black or something, and you've got these and it just goes. I like the way the sole is missing a bit here in this side of the sneaker. I went true to size and I think they fit fine. Obviously everyone's feet is different. Everyone always asks me like, oh, what size did you get this in, what size did you get that in? Obviously I can give you I can tell you what fits my feet, but my feet might be flatter than yours, my feet might be wider at the end, so it is really important to try these kind of things on, especially when there's so many different types of sneakers out there, so many different brands and sizes. Like, you have to go in store and try some on. If all else fails, just go true to size and hopefully you'll be able to swap them. Another colourway is the bright orange, so if you're feeling super brave, you can go for the super orange ones. They've got like shock yellow on them as well, so they look awesome, but I just don't think they're as wearable as this pair. That's why I opted for these. It's like buying like an orange Lamborghini. Like, yes, it's cool for a bit, but then you're like, maybe I wish my car wasn't bright orange. So yeah, these are definitely a more everyday kind of style compared to the orange ones. But the orange ones still look sick and I definitely wear them sometimes. But yeah, that's why I went for this pair. I will show you what they look like on. So that is it for the Adidas Yung-1. Do let me know what you think of these sneakers in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell for notifications. That would be awesome. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I upload stories there every single day, so you can keep up with what I'm doing over there. And I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.